Thanksgiving's around the corner and your regular oven just isn't cutting it anymore? Maybe you're hosting a big family dinner and need that extra cooking space? Today, we're looking at 3 electric roaster ovens that'll change your holiday cooking game completely. These aren't just turkey cookers. We're talking versatile appliances that'll free up your main oven and make entertaining so much easier. Let's jump in. First up is the Sunvivi 28-quart electric roaster. This thing handles a 30-pound turkey like it's nothing, which is insane when you think about it. What really caught my attention is the thaw function. We're talking defrosting in hours instead of days. It runs at 1450 watts with temps from 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you've got complete control. The self-basting lid does something really clever. It continuously circulates moisture so your meat stays tender without you constantly opening it up. The stainless steel construction feels solid, and those cool touch handles actually work. Perfect if you're serious about holiday cooking and want something reliable. Next is the Kiss the Water 28-quart model, and honestly, the visible lid on this one is a game changer. You can actually see what's happening without losing all that heat by opening it. Same 1450 watts and temperature range, but here's what's interesting. The preheat time is only 15 to 20 minutes, and there's a light that tells you exactly when it hits temp. The removable pan and rack make cleanup surprisingly easy, which matters more than people think. The anti-scald handles are thoughtfully placed on both the lid and the pot. This one's ideal if you value that visual monitoring and want something that's genuinely easy to maintain. Finally, we've got the RoyalCraft 24-quart. Slightly smaller capacity, but listen to this. It has touch controls instead of knobs, which some people really prefer for that modern feel. It's marketed as 6-in-1 versatility: roast, bake, broil, slow cook, defrost, and keep warm. Same power and temperature range as the others. The energy efficiency claim says it saves 50% on time and money compared to traditional ovens, though you'd want to check that for yourself. The nonstick interior is a nice touch for cleanup. Great option if you don't need massive capacity and like that contemporary control style. Quick recap: for maximum capacity and that defrost function, the Sunvivi is your pick. Want that visible lid so you can monitor without opening? Kiss the Water delivers. And if touch controls and modern design matter to you, check out the RoyalCraft. All links are in the description where you can see current pricing and availability. Important disclosure: I'm part of the Amazon Associates program, which means I earn a small commission from qualifying purchases made through the links in the description. This doesn't change your price at all. You pay the exact same amount. These products were selected based on customer reviews and ratings from major online retailers. If you've got other recommendations, drop them in the comments. If this helped you figure out which roaster works for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks everyone, and happy cooking!